In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the mobile responsiveness of your Wix website, ensuring that your site not only looks great, but functions smoothly on all devices, especially mobile phones, which are crucial in today's digital age. Let's get started by getting to the Wix website editor. Make sure you have your website already set up in Wix and are logged in. To access the editor, simply open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site dashboard and click on Edit Site. This will open up the Wix website editor where you'll be able to see your entire website layout as it appears on a desktop. Now, the next step is to shift your view from desktop to mobile. At the top of the editor, you'll notice an array of icons. Look for the one that resembles a small mobile device or smartphone. This is the mobile icon. Clicking on this will instantly change the view of your editor from a desktop layout to a mobile layout. This action is critical as it demonstrates exactly how your website will appear when visitors view it on their phones. It's an excellent tool to visualize and subsequently make necessary adjustments so that your site looks polished and professional on smaller screens. Once you're in mobile view, it's time to thoroughly examine your site's mobile responsiveness. This means carefully checking each page, scrolling through the content, and ensuring that elements like text, images, and buttons are appropriately aligned and easily readable on a mobile screen. It's vital to make sure everything looks just right and all functionalities work seamlessly. Pay extra attention to text readability, image scaling, and the ease of navigation. A useful tip here is to simulate a user experience. Think about how an average user would interact with your website on their phone. This perspective can highlight areas for improvement you might not have noticed initially. As you check, keep an eye out for any overlapping text or images and make sure that interactive elements such as links and buttons are functioning as they should be. You may need to tweak attributes like font size or spacing to ensure everything is legible and well proportioned. Remember, a great mobile experience is not just about aesthetics. User interaction and smooth navigation are equally important. Once you've made all your adjustments, you can switch back to desktop view by clicking on the desktop icon, and any changes will be reflected across both views, making your site versatile and responsive on both platforms. This process can seem meticulous, but it's crucial for keeping your website professional and user-friendly in a mobile-first world. Mobile responsiveness can directly impact user engagement and retention, meaning checking this aspect is essential for the success of your site. So, thank you for watching and happy designing.